This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Make sure headphones have some charge and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Once ready, power off the headphones if they are on, then press and hold the power or pairing button until the LED flashes blue. This forces pairing mode and lets the phone discover the unit. Now open Bluetooth settings on your phone and keep that screen visible. Doing this prevents timeouts and lets you act immediately when the Sony appears in the device list. You should see the Sony model appear in the available devices list. Tap its name to start the handshake. If a PIN prompt appears, accept it. Most Sonys use 0000 or 1234, then wait for the confirmation tone. Once connected, make sure to set the preferred codec and audio profile in advanced Bluetooth settings. This governs latency and quality. If you plan to use calls, select hands-free profile. If music, prefer LDAC. After the connection, play a short track or test call to verify audio routing and mic function. This confirms both send and receive channels are active. Make sure the Sony is set as default audio output and that any required app permissions are granted. If pairing fails, perform a factory reset on the headphones, choose Forget on your phone's Bluetooth list, then retry pairing. This clears old profiles and often resolves persistent connection conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.